took me it took me long to get this camera together. I was like, oh. Anyway, you have detached, daydream, indecisions, and base chakra. I think this got to do with your intuition. Make sure you're working on your or meditating. Make sure you're working on your breathing routines. Here, go from the base all the way up, and then let go slowly. That's for some of you, for a couple of you. You got to detach, you know, detach, which is your card. Some of you could be wondering about your security here with this base chakra too, as well. They want you to detach here. They don't want you to worry about it here. All right, you got this. Just breathe, control. See, control your breathing, and the validity. See, breathing in all the chakras. I really do believe that's what this all got to do with your breathing. So watch on your breathing when you're meditating, I feel. Okay. Simply love, manifest. Some of you aren't trying to manifest a love situation here. This could be someone from your past, don't have to be. It could be someone a little bit younger or older than you here. They want you to put in the effort here. Oh, God. They want you to put the effort in. I mean, you can't manifest without putting in the effort if you want love, right? That is some Scorpio shit. They want you to make the effort. Get out there here. Get out there. Go dance and party. Go to one of them art things. That's what this look like. Like what's it called? A wine and sip here. I also feel like some of you been daydreaming about the perfect person here. Well, perfect for you. Okay, you have listen. Must be talking to some single Scorpios. Listen, your intuition and your heart. Listen to your heart. I ain't laughing. I'm not. That's it. How you gonna want love, but you ain't making the effort? You just being all quiet and weird and shit. I do see you got your eye on somebody here, but you ain't saying nothing. You ain't. You just keeping it all to yourself, fantasizing about how I will be with this person. Oh shit, I'm geeked up. I really ain't. This is natural. What is this? Just breathe. Six up cups. Might be someone from your past here that want to work on things and have a victory with you. Hmm. This is also past life. Hmm. So some of you might be connecting with your past life, might be going back to your past life too, as well to look at some stuff. Hmm. Five of Pentacles. Some of you don't want anybody in your past anymore. a 6 went to that 5. Some of you might still be trying to heal from past wounds. Could even be childhood wounds. 4 of Cups. Reflecting, thinking here. Some of you, you think something's gonna be a missed opportunity because of your past mistakes, past history, things like that. Get out of your head. Here, yeah, you all in your head about it. What's this? Control, Queen of Wands. The Lovers. Okay. Some of you gotta make a decision about something. Stop trying to control things here, I feel. Maybe when you get in a connection, you can be very controlling here because of decisions that people make. I heard have it your way. Scorpio, baby, you ain't gonna get your way every time. You just none of us do. And you're not always gonna get that perfect person, that king or queen of wands, this beautiful, uh, charming or charismatic person with the night horse and all that shit. I mean, just not. I mean, shoot. What's the Lovers? Some of you got to make a decision though. 3 of Pentacles, who you want to work with and who you don't. Yeah. Could be dealing with a Gemini, Capricorn. Here, any fire sign. Maybe that person was controlling over you, and you didn't like that. Let me see. I also feel like a masculine energy. It's not for all of you. Somebody with a very strong masculine energy is trying to control you through. I hate these situations. Let's say you broke up with this person. This person tried to control a situation by getting another woman, or it could be another man too. It's something like that to try to have control of the whole situation, hoping that you'll come back. So basically, this person's trying to make you jealous. Damn. Oh man, what's this new vitality? Vitality. New way of looking at things, new way of viewing things. Here, Age of Wands. I feel like some of you see things in a totally different way here. When it comes to relationships or just connecting with people overall, here, it's like you're curious. Curiousness of the mind. The heart, yeah, learning. Hierophant and 10 of Pentacles. I feel like you pick up and learn on people energy real fast for whoever you I also feel like a new commitment here. Some of you might be more committed to your religious practices too, I feel. Your spiritual path. Here, some of you got a new way of looking at God or just commitments overall. Okay. Some of you are trying to get out of a situation here with someone. It might have something due to money here. Some of you got a new way of viewing money here. Some of you view money as just energy. That's a long time with those three cards. Okay, let's see what this simply love is. Because I can go all day on these three cards here. Simply love. That's the number 6. I feel like you get emotionally balanced here. Some of you might have did some of the shadow work, and now you're balancing out things. This is one way I'm saying it. The 9 of Cups. Something you wish for. Somebody you was going to walk away from. Somebody might be pregnant. Lady in the white dress. What's the 9 of Cups? 8 of Pentacles. Alright. Whatever this is your wish fulfillment. Oh, this is new. Yeah. You got somebody new coming in. Some of you might be getting a new job too. Something new that you're working on. I feel like something you've been working on. It's something creative here. I feel like with this 8 of Cups and Page of Pentacles you're going back to here. Give me more. I don't know. For some of you, this is something creative. For others of you, this is a love